Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Are Clean here. We're on a exterior house wash. So if you look here, this is great swabs of mould growing on the exterior. We're in the beautiful hills or ranges in Melbourne, so it's a gorgeous place to work. I'm just going to show you here. We'll be washing all these storybook windows as well. You'll see there's quite a bit of mould growing on the sides of that, and of course this face here, almost like a Tudor style home, this one I think. And then you can see here again quite bad mould growing fairly heavily, strongly through this face. So hope that's helpful to you. We will have to use a fairly strong chemical formula to get rid of this mould, and then we'll be following through with an exterior wash and also external windows. If you look over here, we'll also be doing the carport area, and that's pretty severe as well. Show you here, just around the back here as well. So yeah, okay, I'll show you the results at the end. Okay, the finished results. Look at that, absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. So this is the joys of working with chemical. You can see the results through here. The mould was very far gone on this property, so I wouldn't suggest you leave it that long if you can help it. You can see the sides have come up really good, because what happens over time is the mould will actually soften the paint and the board that it's, and then what will happen is that you'll have a lot of paint come off when we do an exterior wash. You can see this has come up really good here. You can see some of the paint's come off here. I'll show you there. And that's unfortunately inevitable, because the mould is too far gone. All in all, a very good result, and they won't have to do this for years to come. So at the end of the day, if you want to feel good about your space, you want your surfaces to be clean and reflect light, which directly corresponds to a feeling of spaciousness, and then do give us a call. We'd be happy to quote you. All of these eaves have come up beautiful, and look at this garage, sorry, the carport as well. I forgot to show you that. Look at that, it's like chalk and cheese. So really nice results. Very happy with the work here, and you can see that around here too. Give us a call, be happy to help if we can. Hope you enjoyed watching the video.